Over here is so empty. It feels like a ghost town. Gas station in the middle of nowhere. Ice cream. You look for like something like that. Oh, you want the drumstick? Yeah, they get so expensive, which is kind of ridiculous. What's this? Bonbon. Debs. Oh, they have Debs. I don't think Debs is good enough. Debs. Non-dairy. This is that expensive brand. It's always been expensive. Hey guys, happy new year, happy 2024. Oh my god, like this is my first official vlog back because we're actually vlogging in the present. This is not like an old vlog that I'm uploading. But hi, how have you guys been? It's been a minute, I know. Can I be consistent with YouTube for 2024? That is one of my main goals this year. Let's see if I can do it, because we already know, right? But I hope you guys have been having a good year so far. Today, honestly, I have not been like out of the house in a minute, like outside of like regular errands and stuff. And today I decided that, you know, I'm gonna get ready, you know, put on something decent, do my hair. I literally just did a wash and go and left the house. My hair is still wet. It's like almost halfway dry now though. And yeah, I told myself I'm gonna do some content today. I'm gonna vlog, you know, and yeah, I'm gonna be productive today, and I'm really happy with myself for doing all this. So I hope y'all appreciate it. But this top, I don't remember if I've showed you guys this top. I had this top when I was in Colombia. I don't remember if I showed it to you guys, but I decided to wear this. I'm just wearing a crop top, shorts. This shorts, you guys already know this shorts. You've seen it so many times. And these sunglasses. I was gonna go with black sunglasses, but then I always wear black sunglasses or brown, so I wanted to like just, you know, switch it up, especially because I feel like the white will look cooler in pictures. But yeah, and as you guys will see, I'm trying to like change up the vlog style as well, and you guys can let me know your feedback if you guys prefer the vlogs when I talk a lot in them, or if you prefer like when it's a nice mix of like talking but like very like slow and very like visual heavy, you know, a lot of footage and stuff. I hope you guys like that, because that's what I feel like I'm gonna be doing more of this year. I mean, my vlogs usually consist of that, but I feel like the editing style will evolve, you know, and I hope you guys are into that, you know. And yeah, welcome back to the vlogs, guys. That kick, I was not expecting
It's like a little pepper cake
Yeah.
and then it's sweet and then
Hey y'all, welcome back to vlogs. It's been a minute, but we're here. Ollie is trying really hard to go outside, but I have to be watching him because I don't want him to go outside. It's been raining here the past couple days. We've been having like cold fronts and stuff. So yeah, outside is kind of like mucky-ish. But I also just don't want him outside. But y'all see how big he got? Like, he's huge. Tell the people hello. You haven't seen him in a minute. Anyways, so I am about to like clean his litter box, do some laundry, make breakfast. Ollie, stop. Make breakfast and just a bunch of other stuff. I want today to be like a content day, so I'm kind of focused on what I'm gonna shoot today, either YouTube or like Reels/TikTok content. I'm trying to like post more on TikTok, but I want to do like mostly like lifestyle stuff, like basically what I post on YouTube, but like yeah, short form version. So yeah, we will see how I do with that. I'm really literally watching it. Stop. Y'all, I'm literally trying to prevent Ollie from going outside. See how big he is? He's such a troublemaker. Take your dirty paw off my face. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Boy. Let me show y'all my fit, right? First of all, I didn't even know that these matched. I don't know how to show you guys. Hold on. I had these two and I didn't know that they matched, but now that I know, I probably will wear these together. But it's the perfect thing to wear today since I'm doing content. So yeah, but let me show you Ollie. Like, he's literally trying to jump in the field to go outside, and I have to be watching him like a hawk. No outside. No outside. Bye.